Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Gringo University. Today we are going to see el artículo indeterminado. Today we're going to talk about something that sounds scary, but is actually your new best friend in Spanish. Identify articles. You know, those little words that look innocent but actually make students sweat, like un, una, unos, unas. But don't panic, you already use this idea in English all the time. When you say a dog, a house, some apples, guess what? That's exactly what we're doing in Spanish. So in Spanish, we only have four little soldiers: un, una, unos, unas. That's it, just four. I know you're impressed already, but don't clap yet.
Here's the deal. When you say in English, a dog, you don't care which dog, right? It could be a chihuahua, a pit bull, or your neighbor's dog that barks at 3 a.m. every single night. In Spanish, we do the same. We say un perro. Easy. Another example. In English, you say a house. Well, in Spanish, we say una casa. And no worries, it's not haunted, just a regular house. So basically, here's the magic formula. Un or una equals a or an in English. Unos or unas equals some in English. Super simple, right? But don't get too comfortable because we're going to practice a lot so your brain really gets it.
Okay, so first, un, it's for masculine singular nouns. For example, un perro, a dog, un libro, a book, un profesor, a teacher. In English, you use a, an, depending on vowels or consonants. Spanish doesn't care about that. Forget a and an. We care about macho versus chica. Now, una. That's for feminine singular nouns. For example, una casa, a house, una mesa, a table, una profesora, a teacher. So in English, a house, a table, a teacher. In Spanish, gender decides, not the alphabet.
Okay, guys, now let's talk about plurals, the masculine ones first. In Spanish, we say unos. For example, unos perros, some dogs, unos libros, some books.
Wait, in English, we just say dogs. No, some.
Exactly. But Spanish wants you to say the some. You've got to dress your nouns. No naked dogs here.
Now, feminine plurals. Unas. For example, unas casas, some houses, unas mesas, some tables.
So I always have to use that unas?
Yes, Spanish makes you polite with words. No skipping like in English. Every noun gets its little fancy goat.
Okay, weird rules time. Some feminine nouns use UN instead of UNA because Spanish hates double vowels.
Wait, what? Feminine nouns with UN?
Yep. For example, un águila, an eagle. Un hacha, an axe. Un aula, a classroom.
But you just said they're feminine.
They are. We just cheat to make it sound better. It's like when English says an apple instead of a apple. Same logic, different drama.
Oh, so it's not about gender, it's about sound?
Exactly. Spanish avoids awkward double vowels. So instead of una águila, we say un águila. The noun stays feminine. The cheat is just for pronunciation.
Wow, so no logic?
Correct. Like goose to geese. No logic, just pain.
Quick recap time.
Oh, nice. Review mode on.
Let's see it side by side. Look, a dog equals un perro. A house equals una casa. Some books equals unos libros. Some flowers equals unas flores.
Hey, that's not too bad. Pretty similar.
Exactly. Sometimes we're the same, sometimes Spanish just wants to watch you cry.
Great, I'm both laughing and a little scared now.
Perfect reaction. In the next slide, we'll do a quick test.
Let's practice some new words. I'll ask in English, you answer in Spanish. Ready?
Ready.
How do you say a cat in Spanish?
Un gato.
Correct. Gato is masculine, so we use un. How about a city?
Una ciudad.
Nice. Ciudad is feminine, so we use una. Now translate some shoes.
Unos zapatos.
Great. Masculine and plural match to unos. And some apples?
Unas manzanas.
Exactly. Feminine and plural match to unas. Let's try a doctor.
Un doctor.
Perfect. Masculine, so un. For a woman, una doctora. Now, a school.
Una escuela.
Correct. Feminine noun, so una. Translate some tables.
Unas mesas.
Excellent. Feminine plural, so unas. Finally, some teachers.
Unos profesores.
Right. Masculine plural, so unos. For only female teachers, unas profesoras. That's it for today. Awesome work.
Yay! I finally understand una, unos, unas.
See? It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, but Spanish really wants to make me cry sometimes.
Don't worry. In the description, you'll find a link to practice what we learned. And guess what? Part 2 and Part 3 are coming soon with even more examples and phrases you will actually use every day.
Nice, let's go!
See you in the next one. Nos vamos.